Hello and welcome to this new video on how to earn money from Dropbox. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there is a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type Dropbox and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result that says Dropbox official site. Just click on it and Dropbox interface will be open right in front of you. And when you're inside this interface, and when you have logged in and signed up successfully, you just have to look on the top left hand side of the screen. There will be Dropbox text and its icon. So you just have to click on it and home page of Dropbox will be open right in front of you. And when you're inside this Dropbox, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be dotted icon. So you just have to click on that dotted icon and list of things will be shown to you. Now you just have to go thoroughly from this list, and you won't be able to find anything like shop in order to earn money from Dropbox. Previously, there used to be an shop function where you can create your online store and sell things and earn money from the Dropbox, but currently that feature is not available on Dropbox. So until and unless Dropbox add that shop feature again in their interface, people won't be able to earn money from Dropbox. So to conclude, currently you won't be able to earn money from Dropbox. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.